myself Nitu Kumari. I am a bio teacher. This is the chapter of class 10, Human Eye and Colorful World. We have already done 3 videos to relate this chapter. In this video, we will learn about prism. Prism, this is the familiar word and you have already know that from in your lower classes just like 8, 7, 9th, you have already know about prism. But literally we will talk about prism. Something new about prism. Prism, this is the disperse of white light to reflect in 7 colors. So let's see what is prism. It is the 2 triangular and 3 triangular lateral surface. These surfaces are inclined to each other. 2 or 3 lateral surface inclined. The angle between its 2 lateral faces is called angle of prism. Let's see, this is the structure of prism. This is 2 or 3 lateral surfaces. When the sunlight is go through a source, this is reflected by this surface of prism and break down its parts. You can see this surface and make some angles. First, this surface is reflected by this surface and this is splitting and reflected this surface. So this is reflected and make some colors of white light. This is the sunlight. This make this angle 1, angle I, and when we split all in the plane surface, this is angle D. When it is split, it emergent angle, and when it is split laterally down, it's emergent ray. So this is the structure of prism. Let's see angle of deviation. Deviation, it means splitting white light. So angle of deviation D. You can see this is the structure of angle of deviation. This is the angle between an incident ray and the emergent ray. When incident ray and emergent ray is angle in one angle, merge with one angle, it's deviation, angle of deviation. I hope you have understand incident ray and emergent ray. So write the definition. Of incident ray and emergent ray. In your notebook. This is your work. So let's move on. Next is dispersion of white light by a glass prism. When we use a glass prism, the white light is splitting in 7 colors. This is a very common thing. This is the white light and this is the glass prism. When the light of beam reflect this glass wall, it divided and you can see this deviation and splitting of white light. This is the deviation of white light and this violet colors. Violet colors radiation is very high. When the light is splitting, it makes white light and makes 7 colors. This is the spectrum. This is, in the common sense, we can say that we use prism to splitting of white light in 7 colors. Let's see splitting of white light into band of colors. Yes, this is the band of colors. It means 7 color is involving white light. The band of color in the component of white light spectrum, as for example, vibgioid. This is the familiar word vibgioid. It means violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange or red. This makes a vibgioid. The splitting law of light is called dispersion of light. The different color of length means bands and span angle with respect to incident ray. The red light band, the least, it means red least means, but violet bands with most. Violet's radiation is very high, so bands with most. Let's see Isaac Newton, what he want to say and their experiment. Isaac Newton, he was the first who obtained the spectrum from the sunlight by the using of glass prism. When Isaac Newton used glass prism, he saw some important things. He tried to split the spectrum in white light more by using similar prism, but he could not get any color. When he want to split, he could not get any color with white light, but he repeated this experiment using second prism. When he used second prism, what happened? In any inverted position with the respect and the first prism, all the color of a spectrum, when he inverted the prism, he saw the color of a spectrum pass through second prism. He found white light emerge other side of the second prism. You can see this is the figure. When he is splitting the opposite direction and used to spectrum, this is the source of light, white light. When the white light goes through the first glass prism and suddenly go into the second glass prism, he got the white light and spectrum and their colors. He concluded the sunlight is made of 7 visible colors. In their experiment, he found that the white light of sun has 7 colors. Let's see rainbow. What it means? It is the spectrum of sunlight in nature. This is the natural prism, and you can say that this is the dispersion. So it is the spectrum of sunlight in nature. It is formed due to the dispersion of sunlight. In the rainy season, we can several times see the rainbow by the teeny pores, water droplets present in the atmosphere, and it makes rainbow. So this is the complete of this topic. In the next video, we will talk about why water droplets are reflect sunlight. So your work is to write down the definition of incident ray and emergent ray. And have you any problem, leave your message in our comment box. Thank you.